Hello, my name's Andrew, and today I'll be showing you how to use the code which I've developed to simulate a 2 degree of freedom robot arm for assignment 1 for MEC 4406. So the first thing you'll need to do to successfully simulate the code is to get all of the correct files and put them into one folder. So all of the MATLAB files that you'll need to run the code are along the top here. Make sure these are all in one folder and that you set that folder to the current working directory for MATLAB. Then you'll need to select this file here, MEC4406 assignment1.m. Select that as the file you'll run and just simply click run up here. Okay, so you'll see a window pop up here with a grid and some coordinates on here and the robot arm down the bottom. So it says down in the command window, please specify target location. So it's as simple as just clicking on a square that you want to go to. So just click there. As you can see, the robot arm moves to that location. You'll also notice there's a line there that shows the trajectory that it will take. So that's an added feature. I'll just click on some other location. So as you can see, it moves to that location just fine. It also prints the target location up here where it wants to go to. It automatically goes to the center of that square that you've selected as well. Another feature of this as well is you can click on a random location. You just press this button down the bottom and it will randomly go to any location. I'll just do a few of those. One more. Yep, so it goes to all those random locations, no problem. The other thing too, it will detect if your input is out of range. So if I click somewhere like out of here, for example, you'll see in the command window it says please select coordinate within range, and then it will ask you to put in your target location again. So yeah, once you do that, it will move to the location. So overall, the simulation works quite well. Yeah, and to simply jump out of the simulation, you can click on close here. So the other thing you can do too is to play around with these parameters inside the code. This first one here sets the location of the end effector for when the program is first started. So let's just put in some random numbers here, 10 and I don't know, 14, and we'll run that. And you'll see that the end effector has indeed started that location there, and it works just the same. You click on any random location and it will still go there just fine. We'll close that, and there's another thing we can do as well. We can change the location of the base, which is the origin of the robot. So I'll make that 4, 7, something like that. We'll run that. And you can see that the base of the robot is now changed as well. So you know the code will run just the same as before. See that? So you know, you can play around with some other parameters in there as well. I'm not sure how it would work if you tried changing the grid sizes and things. I think the display of everything would, you know, start messing up. But you can change the lengths of the arms. So that's the 450 there. That's the first length, and that's the second length there. You can mess around with that sort of stuff as well if you wanted to. So yeah, the code works quite well in most situations. There are some minor issues when the end effector gets very close to its base. Some of the mathematics starts to break down, and you'll see the arm jump to locations and move very quickly. So that's the only limitations in the code, but other than that, everything works pretty well. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and have a good day.